Martin Bakole has replaced Daniel Dubois and is currently at the airport awaiting his flight to Saudi Arabia to take on Joe Parker this weekend. Here are his first words as the heavyweight boogeyman looks set for a huge opportunity.
We got a phone call yesterday. We get proposed for the fight. I say, I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier boy. I'm in mission. So I'm to Saudi Arabia to fight. Ready to fight the best man. The man who was in the camp for 4 months. We say yes to go and fight. I would like to say thank you to Excellency for, this means a lot to me, for choosing me, to replace Daniel Dubois and big cards, big platform. I'm so grateful. And big thank you to my team, Ben Sloan. So I'm waiting already my plan, and in 1-2 hours I'll leave here for Addis Ababa and Addis Ababa to Saudi Arabia. I can't wait. I know this is unbelievable. It looks like I'm dreaming, but I'm not dreaming. So I know I keep it tomorrow. I think I'll shock the world tomorrow. I'm a boxer, so a boxer is like a soldier. Anytime they ask you to go to war, always be ready. So I'm ready to go, no matter what it is. I've not started the camp yet, but I'm ready to go. Thank you so much. This short video just to let you know that I'm on my way to Saudi Arabia. But you can see me and my team, we're ready to go. Waiting on the flight. Donc, Bandico, tout ça déjà prêt à Rokende. Yeah, tout ça déjà prêt à Rokende. Bagarre est dans le lobby. Donc, Babinga give you so lobby, bagarre lobby. Thank you so much, guys. I don't have more time, so I'm waiting on my flight. See you, Saudi Arabia. Martin is coming. The boogeyman. Cheers.